Good morning everybody! Welcome to Generation RX. As promised po, Huron Slow Juicer will be juicing po freshly squeezed summer recipes for everyone. Kasama po natin ngayon ay si Nicole para tulungan po tayong mag-juice. Hi Nicole!
Hi!
How old are you Nicole?
I'm only 11.
Wow! Ang tangkad-tangkad mo! Anong sikreto mo? Why you are so tall?
I just sleep a lot and juice everything with different foods.
Okay, Nicole, let's start juicing. Sige, unahin mo yung apples and oranges. Wow, these are all rich in vitamin C. And next, lalagay namin yung banana. Kasi pag yung banana, nilagay niyo po siya na una, nagiging puree po siya. So, ang kailangan po natin ay juice po siya ng, again, intervals po ng apples. Yes. And we also have strawberries. Masarap ang mga strawberries. Aside from you, Nicole, sino pa bang nag-juice sa bahay ninyo?
Yung younger brother ko po, pero yung kuya ko ayaw.
Ah, he doesn't like? Well, mamaya matutuwa siya dito sa recipe mo, I'm sure. Hi, Noel! We have made the fruit juice for you. Ginawa namin ni Nicole. Kasi nabalitaan ko raw, hindi ka raw umiinom ng fruits and vegetables. Tama ba? Alam mo ba, Noel, since na nagba-basketball ka, ang nangyayari dyan, pinapawisan ka. At pag pinapawisan ka, nawawala yung electrolytes. Kaya pag wala kang electrolytes, ang nangyayari niya, nagkaka-cramps ka. To prevent yung cramping sa paa, ang kailangan is potassium, which is inside itong ng juice na ginuse natin. Mommy, we encourage all of you to train your children to start a healthy lifestyle by start juicing fruits and vegetables every day. At least meron po silang regimen daily, 5 times of servings. And Huron Slow Juicer is your best partner to train your kids to eat vegetables and fruits daily. Huron Slow Juicer is available at Rustan's Department Store, Rustan's Supermarket, Shopwise, SNR, The Landmark, and for deliveries within Metro Manila, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, kindly call Home Shopping TV at 817-7000. For inquiries about dealership, please call 926-7782 and 926-7786. So next week, we will be juicing for hypertensive and mga diabetic po. So see you po!
This portion was brought to you by Huron Slow Juicer.